Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently January 24th and according to everyone out there, there's a snowstorm incoming my area this weekend. So I thought I'd do a fun little challenge and see how much I could read in 72 hours. It is January 24th, almost 12:30. So let's go ahead and get started. My ultimate goal, or my only goal for this weekend, is to be able to finish Kingdom of Ash. I am currently 403 pages in, and this book is like 950 pages in total. I'm obviously not going to be able to read for 72 hours straight. I do need to eat, I do need to sleep, I do need to use the bathroom. So it's not going to be necessarily 72 hours straight, but I am going to be reading throughout this whole weekend and probably some of Monday as well. But I am honestly super excited to see how much I actually get done today. So let's get started. All right, so it is 12:32 and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, sorry guys, I took a little break to make some food and eat, and it is now 2:04. I read for about like an hour-ish, but I'm about to go back in. It genuinely feels like I'm like getting ready to go back to battle. Okay, hi guys, I'm back. It is 7:19 p.m. and I am about like 500-ish pages into my book, which means I have read about 100 pages so far. I'm not gonna lie, today hasn't been a lot of reading, but I am gonna try to do some more reading before bed, and I'll update you guys if anything interesting happens. All right. It is 9:50 p.m. and I'm calling it a day for today. I've ended on page 641. I'm officially a little more than halfway through the book. I'm honestly so scared for these upcoming chapters because I have heard that they are indeed heartbreaking. So please pray for me in these hardship times. I am loving this book so far. I mean, I feel like every moment in this book is like another life to death moment, which stresses me out, but I love it at the same time, which is a crazy sentence to say out loud. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna read for today. So I think I read about 300 pages, but I'll try to put like the exact number. But other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow. Welcome to day 2. It is Saturday the 25th. It is almost 10 a.m. and I am ready to get back to reading. I have full faith that I will be able to finish this book today. I'm so scared. But yeah, it's time to get back to reading. Much later. It is actually 8:35 p.m. I haven't read since this morning, so it's definitely time to catch up. Like every time I have to re-pick up this book, I have to take a deep breath and like mentally prepare myself. I have a cute little projector with some fantasy ambience playing. What the heck? What? So it's been a while. It is February 2nd. It's been like 2 weeks since I last recorded, which is crazy to me, but I genuinely had to take like a week-long break after reading Kingdom of Ash because I genuinely felt like such a sense of emptiness. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It felt like such a heartbreaking conclusion because I knew that I was never going to read anything new about these characters ever again. I mean, yes, there is a possibility that the author could make something new or whatever, but it's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like, it's over. I genuinely like had to just like take a break to regroup and just not read for a couple of days. Then a couple of days turned into like a week. And then by then, like, I felt like I was ready to jump into something new, but something way lighter and way shorter. Since you guys are asking so kindly, I am reading Call It What You Want. I've been waiting to read this because I wanted to read it in the month of February because it's a pink book. But yeah, the snowstorm is officially over. I am honestly super proud of myself for finishing that big of a book. I genuinely think it's the biggest or the longest book I've read to date. I have to show you guys my February little like monthly page cover because it is so cute. Like, hello, come on, that is Gorgina. But as the snowstorm has concluded, this video also has to come to conclusion. I'm honestly kind of disappointed I didn't record much. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and this little experience of reading Kingdom of Ash with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also please, if you can, subscribe, like the video, and also comment what other videos you guys would like to see. I of course love doing my little bookish content, but I would of course be open to anything. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.